Hello guys, this is Amit Rane, holding degree in mechanical engineering. The reason behind specifying qualification is that majority of us have a belief that investing in stock market requires financial background qualification, which is not true. Anyone having basic mathematical skills, love and passion for reading data, understanding data can get into this open and unbiased field. I love calling it as an unbiased field because it credits the performer and teaches the loser of his mistake. Not wasting much of the time, I'll come directly to the point. To help traders read data and understand the data, we have compiled a statistical concept in form of a software called as Stock Market Panchang, SMP. In this high-techy world, where there is extreme usage of computer technology, a person limiting himself to limited data will be washed away by the market. Keeping this in mind, we have compiled SMP to provide an overall bigger picture, overall bigger sentiment of what actually is going on in market. Now we shall discuss SMP will help which category of people. Basically, there are three categories of traders. First one is fundamental trader, second technical trader, third sentimental trader. Fundamental trader is basically a person whose analysis is based upon company data, accounts, cash flow, business growth, bankruptcy level, future business. He also tries to correlate between local and global news. On the other hand, technical trader is not at all concerned with the news, global news, or whatever company's balance sheet is there. Nothing he's concerned. He's just concerned with the chart. He plots the potential demand zone and supply zone on his chart. Sentimental trader is a person who builds his own sentiments, his own belief based upon news, rumors, or anything else. Now we will discuss problems associated with each of these categories and how SMP can help them to solve their problem. First, we will discuss problems associated with fundamental trader. By reading the fundamental data, he do understand the direction of market. He also understands the measure of bullishness and bearishness in the market. But what he fails at is understanding at what level he has to enter, where he has to put stop loss, or where he has to keep his target. This is a big question mark in front of him. So SMP is a one-stop solution for him. Now technical traders. Technical trader basically plots supply and demand zone on the chart. But the problem is that how can he know which time frame supply or demand zone is going to work in this particular week or in this particular day? He can't identify. So even SMP will help him in identifying which zone is going to work in this. Basically, which zone has a higher probability to act as supply and demand. This information you will get it from SMP. Sentimental trader. A sentimental trader, his problem is that he just wants to trade, but where to enter, where to place stop loss, he can get all this basic information from the calculator. SMP is a very useful tool for everyone who wants to invest in stock market for short term. You must be knowing while playing games also, we all have some repetitive moves. So if you identify these repetitive moves of the opponent while playing chess also, if you understand how he is moving horse, he is moving elephant or anything, if you see some similar or repetitive moves, you understand his game plan. And once you understand his game plan, you can play your game in counter to him. So SMP's main function is to identify the repetitive movements. It reads the past and tells you what are the movement, what is the game setup for this week, for this day. And once you understand what is the game setup, you can play the ball. Okay, the beauty of this tool is that it scans a very huge amount of data and provides data in a very simplified and understandable way. It also has provision to churn the data to look from different point of view. We will just see a small demo of it, how it works. So basically, see, if you want to see the weekly setup, you have to just click on weekly. If you want to see the daily setup, you have to click on daily. See, automatically it got refreshed once I clicked on weekly. If you want daily, just click it on daily. Now if you want to see its movement in past also, you can select any date. So on that particular day, what was the setup, you can even see the past history also, past history setups also you can see. And even we have given start date also. Suppose if you want to analyze 5 years data, this is 5 year span, because this is 2020, a 6 year span, and this is 2014. So basically 6 years data it is reading. If you want to increase it, you can increase it, keep it 2010. The automatically it will analyze 10 years data. And here there are n number of stocks, you can select any one and you can get the panchang of it. So this is the basic working. What we will do, we will learn about its strategies, we will discuss about its strategies in the next videos. If you like the video, please like and share.